Hello guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to trade your core, okay, how to buy core on MEXC exchange, on Mexc exchange. Now, this video is as a result of the request that has been made by my followers to bring up a video that shows how to trade core on Mexc exchange. So guys, here I am in my Mexc exchange. This is my dashboard. If you've not signed up for Mexc exchange, I will drop the link in the description. You go to the description, you click on the link, then you register, okay, using the code therein. Now, as we all know, core has launched, and well, the price that came up, it's not actually what majority expected. But then we should know that core is a very, very promising project, of which, irrespective of the price with which it was launched, it's going to pump up in the nearest future. So guys, I've always suggested, I've not an advice though, I've suggested if you have your core, do not sell, okay? Do not sell. Try and delegate your core. And for those that have been asking how to delegate, I've created a video, okay? And I've posted it on this platform. But I'm also going to drop the link in the description so that if you've not watched it or if you're having any problem relating to how to delegate your core, you can click on the link in the description, click on the video link, then you watch and you delegate your core. Okay, also take note while delegating, try and leave some percentage, try and leave some fractions of core that will be used for transaction charges in the course of delegation and in the course of claiming the rewards from your core delegation. Okay, here we are in this exchange. You know, a lot of people have sold their core after launch. Okay, a lot of people have sold, a lot of people are still buying on the exchanges. Lots and lots of persons are still buying. Okay, let us go to trade now and see. Okay, as you can see, this is core. This is core. Okay, and these are the transactions going on. As you can see here, you see somebody is buying core, people are buying core. These are the number of cores being purchased by people as we speak. This is a live screen and this is happening currently. Okay, so guys, well, if you wish to sell, that is your decision. But if you wish to stake, I suggest you stake. Not a financial advice, but I suggest you stake and be claiming your rewards. Core is very promising. Okay, if you have studied the white paper, if you've studied what they have, the informations that they have been bringing forth right from its inception, right from the mining session till now. Okay, so here we are on Mexc exchange. Okay, in this video I'll show you how to buy core from this Mexc exchange. Okay, so guys, but before we proceed, if this is your first time of visiting my YouTube channel, click on the subscribe button to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Give a thumbs up to my video. Feel free to share my videos. If you have any question, okay, relating to anything about core, drop your question at the comment section. If you have any comments at all, drop it at the comment section. Then those questions, I will respond to them in due time. Okay, give a thumbs up to my video. So let's proceed. So if you want to buy core in Mexc exchange, let's click on trade. Okay, click on trade. Okay, so here we are. In your own case here, you may likely not see core against USDT. So what you simply need to do, if you didn't see core, you click on this button. Okay, just tap on this section. When you tap on it, this page will appear. On the search bar, you can type core. Okay, so that you search for it. Okay, now you choose the first option, core against USDT. So I'll click on it. Now here is it. Okay, here is it. So what next I'm going to do now is in my wallet, I have 61 USDT. I hope you can see it here. I have 61.762 USDT, which I want to use to buy this core. But for the purpose of this video, I'm not going to use all of them. I'm just going to use some fractions of it. So guys, here at this option, here is where you impute the amount of core you wish to buy or here you type in the total number of USDT you wish to use to buy core. Okay, guys. Now, for instance, for the purpose of this video, let me just put 2 core. Okay, so now what it means is that 2 core will cost $9.362, which will be subtracted from the total core that I have here. Okay, guys. Now, as you can see, this is the current price of core. This is the current price of core, and you see people buying it. This is the price people are buying it. Okay, this is the buy section. These are the buy section. Here, people are selling it. Okay, this is the sell section. You understand? So, we're going to buy 2 core. Okay, now if you have, for instance, if I want to use the total number of if I want to use up all the USDT that I have here to buy core, what I'll simply do is I'll click and drag this button from left to right. I'll drag it to this point. Okay, now let me do that so that you see. So I'll click on it and I'll drag it to 100%. Now, as you can see here, the total amount of USDT here is 61 point, almost all the USDT that I have. And if I am to use the whole of this USDT to buy core, the total number of core that I'm going to buy is 13.18 core at this price, 4.68. I hope you can see it. Okay. Now I'm going to buy a total of 13.18 core, and this is the current price. Okay, this is the total number of core to buy. This is the total USDT to be used, and this is the current price with which I will buy the core. Now, having understood this, or having understand this, let's take this back to 0. Then at the amount section, that is the amount of core section, I'll just impute 2. Okay, then I'll click on buy core. I'll click on buy core. Okay, buy. Then this option will appear. Now, I think it's explained here, the price, this is the price, this is the amount of core, and this is the total number of USDT that I'm going to get. You understand? So now I'll click on the buy button, buy core. Now submitted successfully. My order has been submitted successfully. Now, and as you can see here, guys, as you can see here, the total number of my USDT has been reduced from 61 to 54. It means that I have purchased core. You understand? Now, another thing I want to teach you before we move to the next information which I want to pass to you is this. Now, you make sure when you want to buy core, you make sure that it is at the buy section, and here we have the buy button. Okay, it is always green in color for most of the exchanges. But if you want to sell, let's say you want to sell your core, you click on sell button. As you can see, you click on this sell, the button has changed. You understand? If you want to buy, you come to buy, the color will change. If you want to sell, you come to sell, the color will change. You understand? Now, when you come to sell, you see that the available core that I have is just 2. Okay, so if I want to sell my core, I will simply click on this amount. Okay, then I will impute the number of core that I wish to sell. Okay, so the number of core that I wish to sell, I will impute it here, and at this section, it will show me the amount in USDT that I'm going to get for that number of core which I want to sell. Okay, so that is how it works. That is how it works. So let us go back. Okay, so if I want to sell now, for instance, let me say I want to sell 1. If I want to sell 1, look at it. Look at it. This is what I'm going to get, and this is the 1 core that I'm going to sell. You understand? So let me just click on sell option. Okay, now this has appeared, showing me the price, the amount of core that I wish to sell, and the total number of USDT that is going to give me. Okay, let's just try it and see. I'll click on sell core. It does not meet the minimum order amount of 5 USDT. Okay, that means let me say 1.5. I need to increase the value so that it will be up to 5 it will be up to 5 USDT. Okay, I have 1.5 there now, so I can now click on sell core. Okay, I'll click on sell core. Submitted successfully, guys. Okay, now this is the order. This is the order. You give it some time. Once this reaches up to 100%, it will sell and it will drop. Okay, guys. So that is how to sell and that is how to buy core using Mexc exchange. Okay, most of the exchanges, they use these same procedures. Okay. So if you are using gate.io, it's almost the same thing. If you are using OKEX, it's almost the same thing. Okay, guys, it's almost the same thing. Now, another important information that I want to share with you is this. But before we go into that, if this is your first time of visiting my YouTube channel, quickly click on the subscribe button to subscribe to my YouTube channel to get daily updates about Core and some other crypto currency. If you have any question, remember to drop your question at the comment section. Okay, whatever question you have relating to what I've just explained, or anything you want me to explain further that has to do with Core, drop your question at the comment section and I will respond to those questions in due time. Okay, guys, now the information I want you to know is this. What I want you to know is this: people can send their Core from other wallets to exchanges. Okay, but taking this Mexc exchange, for instance, if you come to wallet, and okay, this is Core displayed here, you click on Core. Now, what I'm trying to do now is I want to withdraw. Let's see if we can be able to withdraw. Let me click on the withdraw option. You see, this withdraw option is not going through. You understand? This withdraw option is not going through. It is not going through. So what it means is that I cannot withdraw. Okay, now let me go back. Let me click on withdraw here. Then let me click on Core to see if it's going to be. You see, Core suspend withdrawal. So guys, pay attention to this. Most of these exchanges will allow you to send in Core into their wallet, but you cannot send that Core out of your wallet because some persons have the intention of buying from exchanges and delegating. It is only those who mine Core can be able to delegate. If you do not mine Core, you can't have Core to delegate. You can only trade on some of these exchanges. You buy and you sell. You cannot withdraw. If you want to withdraw this now to your Metamask, you can't because the withdrawal is suspended. You understand? The withdrawal is suspended. And now take a look at this. And see the fee for sending Core. This fee is 0.6, close to 1 Core. You can imagine how high it is. Okay, close to 1 Core you spend for withdrawal. So guys, pay attention to this. It's very, very important. For those of you who want to sell, who want to buy, or you have anybody who wants to sell or who wants to buy, pay attention to this. And know it that once you send your Core to this exchange, you cannot send it out. Okay, even if you buy Core from this exchange, just as we have done in this video, you cannot send it out. Okay, you cannot send it out because Core withdrawal is suspended for most of these exchanges that listed Core yesterday. So guys, this is the information I want to bring to you. Okay guys, if you have any question, drop your question at the comment section. Okay, now some persons have been asking me about the APR and the commission on delegation process. Now, I'm going to release a video. Stay tuned. I'm going to release a video that will explain in details what APR means so that once you delegate your Core, you'll be able to know the amount of Core that you are going to be receiving on daily basis, on weekly basis, and on monthly basis. Okay, I'm going to release that video in this channel. So stay tuned, guys. Okay, now I'm bringing this video to an end. Okay guys, I hope to see you in my next video. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel and get daily updates about Core.